Here's another motive installation. This window is, you know, it's not straight. You got one partition one way and one partition the other way, but we put it in this window. That way this one faces the driver. This is an old Peterbilt. There's a real pain to run the wire through here. But anyway, connection is already done. Everything looking good. We're gonna put this panel back. Anybody who has these dash cams, AI dash cams that you got from the company for your insurance discount and whatnot, and you have a fleet or you don't have a fleet and you only have one vehicle or two vehicles or whatever you got, trucks or whatever, give us a call. We do come out. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have free mobile service, so we come out and you don't have to, like for instance, this company here has got about 50 of these trucks that we got to do, and they don't want to take it to a shop and wait around and nothing like that. We got to come to the yard and knock them out as they come in after they do their shift. So anyway, this type of camera, the motive designed by USA, assembled in Thailand. Give us a call when we come out. Okay, this is what it looks like already installed.